Today, let us talk about pure contouring, which is an innovative method of liposuction developed by us at RG Aesthetics. Liposuction means suctioning out of fat. Since the introduction of liposuction, it has undergone tremendous evolution from the use of traditional methods of suction to the use of power-assisted, ultrasound-assisted, laser-assisted, radiofrequency-assisted, and many such systems. Each of these technologies have their own advantages, and combining them adds many-fold to the results achieved in liposuction. Hence, we have adopted the pure contouring technique for all our liposuction patients. Now, this technique has been indigenously developed and designed by us, RG Aesthetics team, using three technologies. The power-assisted technology, which stands for P, where we use microair; ultrasound-assisted technology, for which we have laser, it stands for the U of pure; and radiofrequency-enhanced contouring, for which we use Bodytite. This stands for the RE. So PURE, power-assisted, ultrasound-assisted, radiofrequency-enhanced. And so we use three technologies for our surgery. So what surgery and how do we do it? So first step in our liposuction surgery is infiltration of the emulsification fluid. This emulsification fluid is infiltrated into the fatty tissue using a basket cannula, which is attached to a power-assisted device, and this is connected to a power pump. Now, because of the vibrations from this device, the fluid is evenly distributed in all planes of the fat, which results in improved vasoconstriction, control in the bleeding, and blood loss is less. Also, these movement from the cannula, it causes simultaneously fat emulsification and separation. Now, in the second step, the fat is further emulsified using the ultrasound-assisted device, for which we have Vaser. Now, since Vaser is fat selective, it does not traumatize the surrounding structures like blood vessels, lymphatics, and nerves. This leads to decreased pain and faster recovery for the patient. Also, the heat generated from the ultrasonic waves, it causes heating of the dermis, which leads to collagen remodeling, and thus it helps in the contraction and tightening of the skin post-operative. The third step, the emulsified fat, the separated fat, is now further separated and emulsified and simultaneously suctioned using the power-assisted device, microair device again. Now, the vibrations from this device, it eases the separation of fat, causing less tissue trauma and less surgeon fatigue, which again translates to better results. The wide bore, the wide diameter of the basket cannula, it also assists in easy separation and suctioning of the fat. In the fourth step, the entire suctioned area is smoothened with the help of to and fro movements of this power-assisted microair device to cause fat equalization. Surface irregularities and contour deformities are the most common complications associated with liposuction. But with this step, such deformities and complications are avoided. And in the final step of a liposuction surgery, we use the radiofrequency-based device, where after liposuction, there is some skin sagging which happens because of the empty space created between the skin and the muscle. The radiofrequency energy emitted from this device, it heats the skin from inside, leading to stimulation and remodeling of the dermal collagen. This results in skin tightening to a considerable degree in the suitable patients. So, with this pure contouring method, which has been designed by us, we are able to achieve not only removal of excess fat, but also tightening of the lax skin in our patients, and so an overall contouring effect for the patients. And all of these benefits are achieved with minimal tissue trauma and lesser downtime and recovery period, and minimal scars, leading to greater results and better patient satisfaction.